Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about artichokes. These are the normal common ones, not the globe, and they are reaching maturity. These plants are perennials and they grow every season after the first rain. From here we can see that every branch which grows out with the flower has usually 2 more fruits attached to it, 2 or 1. So when we do harvest them, we can harvest them as little as this. In Italy they cook them as a delicacy. Or we can harvest them when this little petal below starts opening up. You'll see here it will start open a bit and it will be ready. Artichokes can be divided by the rhizome, because the rhizome is underground. Usually this is down when they are dormant, in the dormant phase. And usually before summer, we let the leaves, when they start drying out, we let the leaves on them, so we know where the artichoke plant is. These are usually grown from rhizomes, which are split during summer when they are dormant, and then are planted in another area. From this plant, usually you can see here we have around 1. We have another one here, another one here. So this is actually 3 plants on a rhizome. The more you split it, obviously, the more plants you'll have. The artichokes is an essential plant in the garden and it needs little care at all. Usually not a drip of water is given to it, and so it can survive a harsh weather. The rhizome will collect and bulk up with water, so it can survive the summer. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up.